Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For the first, let me introduce myself. My name is Rika. Today, I will present my brief research proposal with title The Correlation Between Metacognitive Strategy and Reading Comprehension in English for Foreign Language Students of English Department. So, for the background of the research, there are 3 points. There are EFL student, reading comprehension, and the last metacognitive strategies. Okay, for the first is EFL students or student of English as a foreign language is the term used to describe the study of English by non-native speakers in countries where English is not the dominant language. Okay, next about reading comprehension. As now tell, reading comprehension is the process of simultaneously extracting and constructing meaning through interaction and involvement with written language. On the other hand, reading activities can support the student in learning English in some ways. In reading process, the most important point is how the student comprehend the text. The next is about metacognitive strategies. Metacognitive is one of the strategies that can be used in reading comprehension. Metacognitive of reading strategies is recognized as an important aspect of skill reading. Metacognitive is defined simply as the process of thinking about thinking that refer to learner self-regulation skill as they are aware of their learning process and effective learning styles, and they can evaluate how effective and efficient they learn or comprehend as they study or read. In this context, during metacognitive practice, they ask the way they think, they learn, they read, and their place and position in those processes in teaching learning. For the significance of study is about the correlation. So the first significance is to give information about the metacognitive awareness or metacognitive strategies for learned reading skill and how the metacognitive strategies in implemented in classroom practice would bring a better ability of the reading skill. And the second, this research can provide information and technique on how to read more effectively by using metacognitive strategies in learning to read. Okay, the next is about research question. So based on the background I have explained before, there are 3 research questions that then will be answered in this research. 1. How is the student metacognitive awareness in reading class at English department? 2. How is the student's ability in reading comprehension in reading class at English department? And then the 3, what is the correlation between student metacognitive strategy and their reading comprehension at reading class in English department? Okay, research objective. Based on the research question, so this research have purpose: 1. To discover the student's metacognitive awareness in reading comprehension. 2. To investigate the student's ability in reading comprehension. 3. To find out the correlation between students' metacognitive awareness and their reading comprehension. Next, research methodology. For research design, I will use quantitative method, and for research setting, I will choose the location in reading class at UIN Antasari Banjarmasin. And for participant, I will choose third semester of EFL student in English department UIN Antasari Banjarmasin, and for sampling I choose to random sampling. Then, to find out the correlation between metacognitive awareness and reading comprehension, there are two techniques for collecting data, questionnaire and reading score. The questionnaire is the first instrument that is used by the researcher in collecting data. The questionnaire conducts some item of reading text, and the second is the reading score. From the score, the researcher can see the correlation between reading comprehension and metacognitive strategies. They are have some correlation or relationship or not have correlation. So that is about my brief research proposal. For many mistake, I'm say sorry. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.